take you out of this place. Someone you could lend a hand in return.